Looks like I'm black. Hope everyone's doing okay today. I'd like to appreciate everyone that's subscribed. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I didn't think I'd get it there in this short amount of time. So I really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. And he attaches here. I've been seeing this a lot recently. I don't think this is a move. I think it's only when they play a 4-4. But yeah, this one it just feels like the corner's too small. So we're just going to take the outside here, and he does this one. Thought for sure he would play here. But with this one, I can, if I Tanuki, I can play this side to grow this side, but he captures, and that feels like this is just too good for him. So I think I'm just going to connect, and if he goes on this side, I could have Atari'd and jumped. But since he didn't, I'm going to block this side off and develop this side. I do have some cutting points here, but I don't think I need to worry too much about them for now. This side is kind of small, so I think I can just approach here, and then he's kind of limited to this side down here, and I'm kind of growing the entire top half of the board. So he kicks, so he really wants everything he can get on the bottom side. We're just going to make a simple base. Okay, so he just really wants this area. Okay. And I mean, I guess we'll Sunrise say, because why not? Okay, so he really likes points. We're just going to block here. And I think I'll Hane here. The only time this is really bad is if he can play here and turn this into a weak group. But because I have a stone here and a stone here, I'm not too worried about this getting attacked. So he does jump in. Okay. He can't really get a base here. He can try to peep. But I don't think that really matters. I think I'm just going to try and surround him, see if he can live. And yeah, just gonna connect, make sure everything's nice and solid. Okay, so he tries to get out, but as he tries to live here, I'm just getting more and more potential on this side. We want to make it a little bit harder for him. So if I go here, he can play a tiger's mouth. There's some Aji here, but he can get out this way a little bit easier. But if I Atari first, he has to connect. I connect, and now he can go maybe something around here, but I can still do stuff here to reduce this. So still going to just try and surround him and force him to live. And block. Okay. I think I'll still block because he's still not 100% alive. Okay, so now he's kind of alive here, but now we have moves like this we can do. So he can block here, but then I can jump. Okay, so he has to protect. Now we can put some pressure on his corner. We can even turn here because now if we go here, he's not alive. So we got these moves for free. He reduced his corner. Seems like he's alive here for now. And we also got Sente. So I think I'm just gonna place something over here to protect my corner and also make this area a little bit more solid. Okay, so he jumps in here. If I just jump out here, he makes a base. That's probably still good for me, but he can connect under. So I think I'm just going to block on this side. He tries to jump out. So now I definitely want to stop his connection. Not sure how. Maybe just something like this. Okay, so now this group he has to live somehow. Although I'm also kind of weak here, so I gotta focus on making sure this group's alive. But it doesn't seem like it'll be too hard to do because I have some forcing moves over here, and I can just jump. Okay, so he tries to reduce. Kind of want to just block here, making this more solid. Don't think he can cut here. He's not alive yet. I can still peep because there's some cutting points. It's reducing his eye shape. So now that this is really strong, I think I can just invade here. Even if I lose a few points here, if I get the corner, it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, he has to block here. I don't know. We'll just do this one. I don't think I need to be too aggressive here. And later we have this endgame. So for now, I think I'm just going to add moves to defend this group while also trying to get rid of his eye shape. Also makes me a few points. Okay, he goes there. We'll just defend the top. I don't think he can actually invade this anymore, but we'll find out. Let's poke here. I don't think he quite has two eyes yet. And we can poke here. And poke here. We'll just poke everything to, again, we're growing this area. We're reducing his eye space. And as he lives, he's just kind of making us stronger. Like if I play a move here, I don't think he quite has two eyes. But we have a cutting point here, so we'll just defend our cutting point. And then he still has to defend because we could have pushed or peeped here and maybe got something. Okay, so now I need to try and find a way to profit by attacking this a little bit more. Not quite sure how I want to do it though. Let's try this one, see if I can get this move for free. So just push and push. Okay. Yeah, I'll just push again. Why not? Play here to connect everything. Makes me a few more points in this area. Okay, so we'll peep here and here. So we're making a little bit more points here. Still kind of threatening a connection here. And I don't think this can die. So he tries to cut me off. I think I'm just going to play here to reduce this side. Is he able to do that? Okay, maybe he can, but I think we can threaten to cut first. Okay, so I guess he doesn't care if we cut. I'll play here. So I think this makes a connection here, at least a little bit. And then cut. He pushes here, we go here. Maybe not the best. Probably go here first because we still have a cut here and we're making this shape a little bit stronger. So yeah, we'll just block here. If he cuts, I'll turn here. I don't really care about this stone anymore. But if he connects here, I connect here. And this whole group is not alive. Protect my points. So I lost a few points here, but this is not alive yet. So feels like it should cost him something in the end. But even if he doesn't, well, I guess it's hard to tell. It says it's dead. But I feel like I should be ahead, even if this lives. Okay, just Hane. I need to keep the pressure on him, so I think I need to connect here. Okay, stay connected. He goes there. I guess that is giving him an eye, so probably need to connect. He goes there to threaten to cut. But I think I can just go here, and if he blocks the connection, maybe I can still live there. Not sure. We'll cheat a little bit, use score estimator. So yeah, it says black's winning by 12. So I probably don't need to kill. So I think I will just allow him to connect. Try and fix my weaknesses a little bit, get some more eye shape. And then we should be alive now. He goes here, but even if he pushes through, I block. This Atari doesn't work. So it should be fine. So we'll just start playing in game. Okay, he blocks. This is not alive yet, so this should be Sente. Okay, he just blocks that way, nice and easy. And we have this in game. which is quite big, and he just connects. Okay. Not sure where my next in-game moves are. Probably here. Maybe I should be more safe and just play a move here because maybe he can try something here. But it feels like as long as I don't mess up, he shouldn't be able to live at the top here. Especially after he's making me stronger here. But I'm kind of surprised just a little bit that he hasn't tried to invade this. Okay, so you can throw in and capture some of it, but I don't think that's the biggest at the moment. So if he goes here, I probably just Tanuki and play this one. This is a little bit confusing because now that I connect here, if he goes here, I connect and can save everything. But I guess he's trying to kill the whole thing, but I really don't think he can do that. Maybe he realized he's behind and needs to, so he's probably going to invade up here as well. Yeah, I'll just connect. So he could have captured these two stones, but now he didn't because I think he was trying to be a little bit greedy and kill this. I guess eventually I do have to capture these stones, so maybe it's about the same. But I don't think I need to worry about it too much. I should just have more liberties, I think. Seems like a mistake, because now I can push and cut. I think he misread. Yeah. So now I just gain more points here. I can just connect, and I don't have to capture these anymore. And now he probably invades the top now. No? Okay. I mean, I think I just defend here. Yeah, I'll just defend like this. And if I remember right, I should just be ahead. Yeah, it says black by 31 now. But yeah, I can just block. This cut doesn't do anything. Yeah, go ahead and just play here. And I'll just defend my cutting point. He connects, so I'll go ahead and Atari. And not much left, so I think I'll just poke at the few points he can get here. Okay, not sure why he did that one, but we'll go ahead and just connect here and play here. So make sure this is nice and alive. Okay, we just gotta protect our cutting points. And if he cuts here, I don't really see anything he can do. Okay, again, just connect. Mhm. Yep, just respond to everything. I should just be too far ahead. Yes, this is black by 28.5 points. So pretty much should just be able to play anything. But again, he just didn't really defend anything. So I got to attack and profit. And that seems to be even at 3 Dawn, they don't defend. So just simple end game now. Can't really make eyes here even if I want to. So not sure. Don't think there's anywhere else I can make points. So yeah, I'll just connect. It's there. Of course, I'll get rid of his points. Tari here doesn't look like it really does anything. And Dame. But I have these captured, so even if he goes here, I just capture. He goes here, just connect. Nothing really left. Okay, and here we request counting. And yeah, I just win by 13 and 3/4 stones, which is around 30 points. But yeah, I'd like to thank my Patreons. I really appreciate the support, and I'll see you all next time.